Hey, hi. So this is the hall. This is the entrance, and this is the hall. This has a fall ceiling work already done, and this has all the chandeliers and light fittings. And this is the entrance, which has a window here, and the calling bell, curtain rods, all fixed here. And here we have a TV table, a miniature version, and then we have a foldable dining table. And this is the partition. It separates the hall and the kitchen. So this is how it looks. And then there's a puja there's a puja room here as well, miniature version. And then this is the kitchen. This has all the fittings here. There's a modular kitchen, and this has a chimney fitted as well, as you can see there. And this has basically all the cupboards are soft close handles. So you just need to slowly leave them, and it goes in and it's locked itself. So these are the cupboards. So you have a bottom, middle, and the top cabinet. And this is the utility. And you have good ventilation here. This is the balcony of the utility. So next is a Chaitanya Villa project, and you get good ventilation and lighting here. And we have a cloth dryer mounted as well. And then there's a arrangement already done for the gas connections. You just need to install your cylinder here and connect it to a rubber hose, and then this goes and directly connects here. You can connect your other rubber hose from here to your stove. So it is made that simple. It's more like a plug and play arrangement. Yeah, so this has all the facilities here with the fall ceiling here. Yeah, and this is the common space between the master bedroom and the kids restroom. So this is how it is decorated. Yeah.